Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. We are continuing the chapter Matrix. Today you will get two problems. These problems are from the multiplication of matrix. The first problem, which is given, let A equal to 2, 1, 0, minus 2, B, matrix B equal to 4, 1, minus 3, minus 2, and C equal to minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Find A square plus AC minus 5B. The solution is A square plus AC plus 5B. A square means A into A. A is 2, 1 and 0, 2. 2, 1 and 0 minus 2, 2, 1 and 0 minus 2 into, and B, AC, A means 2, 1, 0 minus 2, 2, and C is minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4, and 5B, 5B minus 5B equal to B minus 5 into 4, 1, minus 3, minus 2, this is B. So, when we are multiplying A square, that is A into A, the first row, first column, plus first row, second column. Again, first row, first column, plus first row, second column. Again, 2, 1, that is first row, second row, first column, and second row, second column. This is plus this is A into C. So it will be first row, that is 2 into minus 3 and 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into minus 2 and 1 into 4, that is first row, second column. Again, second row, first column, and second row, second column it is. And this is 5 into B, that is 5 into 4, 5 into 1, 5 into minus 3, and 5 into minus 2, that is. So multiplying these, we will get 2 into 2, 4 plus 0, this is 0, and 2 minus 2, and this is 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 0, that is also 0, and this is 0 and 2 minus 2, 4. Here 2 minus 3, that is minus 6, minus 1, and 4 plus 4, this 4 plus 4, that is 2 into 0, 0, and minus 2 into 4, that is 8, and this is 4 into 5, 20, and 1 into 5, 5, 3 into 5, minus 3 into 5, minus 15, minus 2 into 5, that is 10. Now adding these two, we will get, you have to add this 4, 0, and 0, 4, and minus 2, 0, 0, and 4. And this is minus 6, minus 1, minus 7, 4 plus 4, 8, plus 0 plus 2, that is 2, 0 minus 8, minus 8. And this is 5B. Again, when adding 4 minus 7 and 0 plus 8, 0 plus 2 and 4 minus 8, and this is 5B. Now adding and subtracting, we will get minus 3, this is minus 3 and 8, 2 and minus 4, minus this one, and here it is minus 3, minus 20, 8 minus 5, and 2 minus of minus 15, that is plus 15, and minus 4 minus 10, that is plus 10, and the answer is minus 3 minus 20, it is minus 23, and 8 minus 5, 3, 2 plus 15, 17, and minus 4 plus 10 equal to 16, 6. This is answer for the first question. Second question is also from matrix, and this is from the multiplication of matrix. If m equal to 1, 2 and 2, 1, matrix m equal to, and I is unit matrix of the same order, that is 2 by 2 as that of m, so that n square equal to 2m plus 3i. Now this is left hand side, this is right hand side. For left hand side is the m square. M square equal to m into m. M is this 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1 into 1, 2 into 2 into 1. The same procedure, first row into first column, this is first row into first column, first row 1 into 1 and 2 into 2, this is again first row second column, this one again second row first column, second row second column, this is, and multiplying these we will get, this is 1 into 4 and 2 into 2, that is 2 into 1, that is 2, and it is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1. Adding this we will get 5, 4 and 4, 5. This is left hand side. And right hand side is given 2m plus 3i. I means unit matrix. So 2 into the m equal to 1, 2 and 2, 1. 3 into unit matrix 1, 0 and 0, 1. Here multiplying with this 2 we will get 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 and 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, and multiplying with this 3 into 1, 3 into 0, 3 into 0 and 3 into 1. This is 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, again 2 into 1, that is 2, and this is 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0 and 3 into 1 3. Now adding these two we will get 2 plus 3, this is, and 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0 and 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. This is 5, 4 and again this is 4 and this is 2 plus 3, 5. So this one is same, 5, 4 and 4, 5 is same with this left hand side, with this left hand side. So it is clear now that m square, which is 5, 4 and 4, 5 m square, and 2m plus 3i is also the same, 5, 4 and 4, 5. That is m square equal to 2m plus 3i. Therefore we can easily write that LHS equal to RHS, that is right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. So next day is your maths examination. So this is all over about matrix. That's all today. Thank you.